Have you ever wondered why lithium batteries sometimes explode? You hear stories about phones, power banks, or even electric vehicles suddenly catching fire. But what actually causes it? Let's find out. The main reason is something called thermal runaway. Thermal runaway is a chain reaction where a lithium battery begins to overheat. As the temperature rises, chemical reactions inside the battery produce even more heat. If the heat can't escape, the battery can catch fire or even explode. So, what causes thermal runaway? First, overcharging. Every lithium battery has a safe charging limit. Charging it beyond that limit damages the battery's internal structure, causing it to overheat and increasing the risk of fire or explosion. Second, short circuits. A short circuit happens when the battery's positive and negative terminals connect directly, allowing a huge amount of current to flow in a very short time. This produces intense heat, which can quickly trigger thermal runaway. Third, physical damage. Dropping, crushing, puncturing, or bending a lithium battery can damage the thin layers inside it. When these layers touch each other, an internal short circuit can occur, leading to overheating and, in some cases, a fire. Fourth, high temperatures. Leaving a phone, laptop, or power bank in direct sunlight or inside a hot car can raise the battery's temperature beyond its safe operating range. Excessive heat is one of the biggest enemies of lithium batteries. Fifth, using the wrong charger. Not all chargers are designed the same. A charger that supplies the wrong voltage or lacks proper safety controls can overcharge the battery, making it unstable and dangerous. Sixth, manufacturing defects. Sometimes, tiny flaws introduced during production can create internal short circuits. Although rare, these defects can cause a battery to fail even when it has been used correctly. Seventh, water damage. If a lithium battery becomes damaged and water gets inside, it can interfere with the battery's internal chemistry and electrical components, increasing the risk of failure. Finally, poor quality or counterfeit batteries. Cheap batteries often lack important safety features such as overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, and temperature monitoring. Without these safeguards, the risk of overheating is much higher. So, how can you tell if a lithium battery is becoming dangerous? Watch out for warning signs such as swelling, unusual heat during charging or use, a strange chemical smell, hissing or popping sounds, smoke, sparks, or a battery that suddenly loses its charge much faster than normal. If you notice any of these signs, stop using the battery immediately. If it's safe to do so, move it away from flammable materials and replace it as soon as possible. The good news is that lithium batteries are generally very safe when they are used correctly. Use the correct charger, avoid exposing batteries to extreme heat, never use a swollen or damaged battery, and always buy batteries from trusted manufacturers. By following these simple precautions, you can greatly reduce the risk of battery fires and keep yourself and your devices safe. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who uses lithium-powered devices, which is almost everyone.